We are going to need butter, flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, vanilla and almond extract, 1 egg. I've got unblanched almonds and these are going to be our nails. I've got a pinch of nutmeg and cinnamon. Add your sugar. Add your cinnamon and nutmeg. Add your baking powder. Place your dough onto your cling film, and the dough should be sticky but not stick to your fingers. So we're just gonna shape it up. And it makes quite a lot of dough, so if you're not gonna use it all, you can freeze it. Some flour to your flat surface. And we're going to take the dough out. So we take a little bit of dough and we're gonna roll it out. So I usually like to make them a bit thinner than my actual fingers, so maybe just take a little bit off. Take an almond and we're gonna do an imprint in here. So this is the shape of your fingernail, just like that. Add your nail. Take your knife and do a few cuts on top, then in the middle. Try and do different shapes, and at the bottom. I'm gonna brush them with some cocoa powder, just a little bit on sides, just to make them a bit dirty.